Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So this is week 3 programming assignment of the course programming data structures and algorithms using Python. So here we have got three programming questions guys. So three programming questions. So we have to uh, give three solutions, right? So I will show you one by one guys. So note it down. So yeah, this is the first one guys. So hope you note it down. So this is the program guys, so please note it down carefully, so don't make any indentation mistakes. So most of the students will make the same common mistake, that is indentation error guys. So the if should be within the for loop, right? And the for loop should be within the function, right? Def, and return should be in the same line along with the for loop. So this is the program guys, right? Guys, please watch the video till then, because if I make any changes in between the video, you can be able to note that. So do watch full video. Definitely subscribe our channel guys. So definitely like the video, then only our videos will appear in suggestions for other needful students, so that they will also get benefited like you. And definitely share this video with your friends and classmates in your WhatsApp college unofficial student groups, right? So this is the first program guys. Now I will show you the second one, right? Now let's see the next one. Now let's see the second solution, right? So this is the second one guys. Very short code. So split sum. So positive x square. So negative x cube. So return positive and negative as the parameters for this return function. So this is the program guys. So second one. This is the second one. Right? Now let's move on to the third one. So this is the third one guys. The final one, right? So guys, you can pause the video or take a screenshot of all the codes at every moment. If you want to get clarity, once again watch the video from starting. You can take screenshots at most important points, moments of the video, right? So this is the code guys. So please take, once again I am telling you that, so please take care of the indentation errors. So each and every character and each and every space is important, right? So that's it guys. So now let's see what will happen if you execute this code. So I have already executed that. So you can see all the test cases are passed. So all the status is passed, you can see here, right? So it is saying passed after ignoring presentation error. So presentation error is not an error guys actually. So it's just related to space issue. So I mean it's not a space issue, it's a extra line, right? So here you can see /n. So its next line character is will be printed, right? So it's not a problem. So it is passed. Finally we have to get this pass statement. So here you can see compilation passed, 9 by 9 passed. So that's it guys. So that's it guys. So let's see this. After clicking the submit button, so here we can see that. So here you can see all the 12 public private test cases are also passed, right? After clicking the submit button. So that's it guys. So these are the programming assignment solutions for the course PDSA. So hope this video helpful for you guys. If you feel the same, please subscribe our channel. Definitely like the video guys, and please share this with your friends and classmates. So that's it guys for this video. So until the next video, goodbye. Thank you.